I travel by bicycle to see the world on my own pace, to challenge myself physically and emotionally, to overcome fears, to be alone with nature and meet local people, to travel in a sustainable and respectful way, to let the world unfold before my wheels, and to experience the journey to freedom. Do perfect roads exist? These mountain roads in southern Turkey come very close. The scenery is amazing and the vegetation plentiful, with berries, nuts and fruits everywhere.
Ooh, some cactus fruit. Very spiny. Really nice. This is going to be my camping spot for tonight. I'm quite tired. Lots of uphill today. It's about 6 o'clock now. Beautiful sky behind there where the sun is setting. And the gorgeous view over here. The sea and the mountains.
Underneath the willow tree, standing on my stubborn feet, I found all my insecurities buried down deep within the ground. And I didn't know what I would find, but the truth is love is blind.
Almost 400 meters altitude. About 100 meters to go.
Stronger than the eastern sea, I felt the truth inside of me, alive. Love is like a second wind. When it's gone, it comes back again, my friend. And I didn't know what I would find. That's the day I left it all behind.
I'm cycling up the iconic Babadağ mountain, which goes from sea level almost to 2000 meters altitude. A really long climb, but fortunately, as you can see, I could leave my bags down at the art camp. Otherwise it would have taken me at least the whole day to get up here. That's where I'm coming from. That's where I'm going.
Seize my body for the dead I owe. Drop me high into the depths below. For the things I've seen.
Almost 1400 meters altitude. 20% here. The toughest part is just to come.
Polish the brass and we dust the paint. We lay down fallow like sleeveless chains. And they call us sick as though we're all so sane. Seize my body for to free my soul. And drop me high into the depths below. For the things I've seen, no one else should know. What speak you of a love so bold? No song could sing, no word could hold. Well, I warn you now of an end foretold, and a lifelong waiting for death's parole. So fly low, you carrion crow. Seize my body, for it lives no more. Drop me high into the depths below. For the things I've seen, no one else should know. For the things I've seen, no one else should know. For the things I've seen, no one else should know.
It's a little bit of a special day because tonight it's New Year's Eve. I'm cycling between Bodrum and Marmaris now. Man, it's a cycling paradise here. Really spectacular roads right here by the sea. Mountain views. Very nice weather. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling strong. And over there, Babadağ summit. couldn't have wished myself a better place to spend New Year's Eve. Beautiful place to camp here under this thing. It's not waterproof, but it will keep me dry. I'm gonna enjoy this view, and bought myself some Turkish dessert, baklava, to celebrate this nice day. The 3rd of January today, and I'm here in the southwest of Turkey in Kayaköy on an art camp, and I've got myself a nice bungalow here.
Sometimes you need a good rest. Just relax in the sun, be alone with animals, and go for a short walk in the afternoon.
In this stone village here behind me once lived 10,000 people in a village called Levisi, but at the end of the Turkish-Greco War there was a population exchange between Turkey and Greece to exchange Muslims and Christians, and all the Christians living in this village were forcefully moved to Greece, and the village was abandoned ever since. It's actually just 100 years ago that the last persons left this beautiful stone village. But in those 100 years, nature has completely taken over. Still mad about this damn dog. They say barking dogs don't bite. Well, this one certainly wasn't barking before it bit me. Just grabbed my dry bag. Okay. And it held on to it maybe 2-3 seconds. Luckily it didn't fall. It bit right through my bag. It bit even right through my jacket here. Stupid dogs. Well, at least it didn't bite me, because that would have been a lot worse. I'm here in Kaş, a touristic place with a large marina, a lot of boats, and there is a small possibility that in a few days I might be on one of those boats as well, because I got a message from a German cyclist that he might have found a sailboat to Egypt, and maybe there is room for one other cyclist. It leaves from Finike. It's the next next harbor town around 30-40 kilometers from here. So that's where I'm heading. I'm really excited if I can get on this boat to Egypt. That would be incredible. I made it to Finike, to the marina, and it's Friday today, and perhaps Sunday I'm gonna leave to Egypt on one of these sailboats. I really can't believe it.